Selling digital downloads on Etsy is a great way to make extra money online. There are so many different possibilities for you to choose from, and you don't need any special skills or experience to create digital downloads to sell on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a digital download to sell. Now, there are many different types of digital and printable products that you can create, from planners to kids games and printables to holiday themed products. So I'm going to just share with you my process for finding products that I can sell on Etsy. And there are some great paid keyword research tools, but we can also just do this for free by researching on Etsy some of the products that are going to be a high search volume, low competition. So what I'm doing right now is I am just putting a couple of words into the search bar so that you can see what auto-populates. And these are products that people are searching for. So these are some of the higher search volume things that people are looking for and buying on Etsy. And I put in Halloween business because that's a design I've been working on, and I will show you that. But we can also put in things like toddler learning. For example, toddler learning binder is a very popular search phrase, so I might be looking at that. But in this case, let's go back to Halloween small business and see what we have. So let's look at this one, Halloween small business thank you cards. If I scroll down on the right-hand side, I can see that there's only 2,000 search results. This is really low competition. So it's not going to be that hard to rank in the search results for this particular product. And this is actually one of mine here in my demo shop, so I'm going to show you how I made this product here. But it's brand new and it's already ranking on the first page of Etsy search results because, like I said, it's not actually that hard to rank for a product when you find something that has relatively low competition. So now let's go into Canva and design the product. So this is a product that I've designed using free elements in Canva. So just to show you how I found those, let's create a new page here. And I really loved this little trendy checkerboard design. So that's what I searched for, was checkerboard. And under photos, I found this free backdrop. But it wasn't quite the colors that I wanted. And so one of the cool things in Canva is you can change the colors if you want of different things. You can add different filters, and I just played around with the color palette till I found one that I liked. And then from there, I went in and looked for a Halloween element for free that I could find that would fit this style. So I think I searched spooky ghost, and there's actually a lot of examples here. Some are going to be under the Canva Pro, and so you want to keep in mind if you're going to use the Canva Pro elements, then you can sell those with printables. But if you're going to sell Canva templates, you have to assume that your customers are using a free Canva account. And if they are using Canva free, then they won't be able to use a pro element. So a best practice is to often just use the free Canva elements that you find. And I'm going to search here by free. And I think this is the ghost that I found. All right, so there's my ghost. And as you can see in the top, I went ahead and changed the colors a little bit. I added a black outline. And then I went and grabbed a free witch hat example and I put that on too. And you can continue to customize your products however you like, whatever feels good to you. I think this is generally what I did with this design. And you want to continue to play around with this process till you finish the design and it feels good, it feels finished to you. This is actually a double-sided thank you card that businesses can print on both sides. So I just wanted to show you, this is the front side and then this is the back side here that my customers can customize with their brand info before printing out. The next thing that you're going to need are listing images for Etsy so that you can sell your product and present it in a very beautiful way. So there's lots of free mockups in Canva. You can also buy mockups on Etsy and then also create some of your own graphics too. So I just wanted to show you how I've done that here. These are all mockups that I created myself. I think the only one that was a built-in mockup was this photo here in Canva, and I made the rest of these right here in Canva for free. And then I've downloaded them, and these are going to be my product images for Etsy. The next step is to launch your Etsy shop and create product listings on Etsy so that you can launch your products onto the Etsy marketplace to sell. But here I'm going to show you how I've created this product listing for Etsy. So this is my title, and these are keywords that will help me get found in the Etsy search results and help my product match with customers who are searching. And then these are the images that I've uploaded. I showed you the mockups that I made in Canva, but I also added a few graphics like this one that explain what the product is and how to use it. Then in the product description, I have some well-placed keywords here like Halloween thank you card. I also am speaking directly to my target customer with some pain points here where I say, do you need a cute Halloween packaging insert, but you don't have time to create one yourself? This easy to use thank you card template is perfect for you. Then I have product description on what is the size, how is it used, all of those specific things. I also want to mention to my customers that this is a digital product. There's not going to be any physical product shipped to them. So I always recommend if you're selling digital or printable, be explicitly clear in your product description. And then also you will see if you're selling digital files, you have a space to upload your digital product. Now, in some cases, you might be uploading the actual digital files themselves, if it's a PDF workbook, for example, or a journal. But in many cases, you may just be uploading a PDF, which I've done in this case, that has a clickable link to access the templates. This is just better because it's got more instructions on like how to use the template, and then they can just click that link to access the small business thank you card template in Canva. There's lots of different types of digital products, so that part is going to depend on the type of product that you create. A few more relevant things that I will say here are to look at the variations and details. Make sure that you fully fill out any of these categories if they're relevant to you. So in this particular case, I have filled out Halloween as a holiday because that's the type of product I'm creating, but I'm not filling out the occasion because there's nothing in this particular product that fits any of these occasions here. And then I'm fully filled out all 13 tags that Etsy allows me to add to my Etsy product. This is very important. Make sure that you max this out. And that is it. And I'm ready to publish this as a product, which I've already done, but I will show you what it looks like on Etsy. And here it is. Now, the best way to get Etsy buyers to find you in the Etsy search result and visit your shop is to leverage what I just said, SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. We recommend using a tool called eRank to research trending keywords and learn more about what kinds of keywords customers are using to search so that you can match to those customer searches and get ranked higher in the Etsy search results. Basically, the goal is to get more eyeballs onto your products so that you can make more sales. When it comes to optimizing your listings for Etsy SEO so that you can get more traffic, you want to pay attention to specific parts of your product listing. And the best places to optimize for SEO are going to be your title, your tags, your description, and then also making sure that your listing images are high quality as well. Making each of these components like title, tag, and description as clear as possible will help ensure that the right people are visiting your listing. It's always better when it comes to online products to go for clear over clever and clear over cute. So you want to make it easy for people to find you. Learning how to sell digital products on Etsy does take a little bit of time. I know that SEO can feel like a learning curve. However, anyone can be successful doing it. I myself am a former teacher with over 13,000 sales on Etsy in the past 3 years. So trust me, anyone can learn how to do it. You don't need specific skills. You'll just need to learn how to use the platform successfully. And with a little bit of research and practicing your own design skills, you can do this too. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about how to be successful in Etsy, making digital and printable products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel.